unit is now, the system is now completely turned off.
Yep.
The operator interface is turned off, and so everything is now going to be turned on. Yes.
Yep. We'll boot the unit.
Boot the unit.
The Walkendorf Opus A3 is just booting up.
Yep.
The IOX and the IOXP are still turned off. The D plus is turned off at this point.
Yep.
But when this boots up completely, we'll turn the D plus on.
So the Walkendorf operator interface is just turning on.
Yep.
It's nearly on.
This is a demonstration of the two outputs.
Yep.
The red LED on one end and the green LED on the other end.
Yep.
One represents one output, the other represents the other output.
Yes, that's for the blowdown coil output only.
Yep.
So now the operator interface is turned on completely.
Yep.
And you're going to turn on the D plus, is it?
D plus will turn it on.
Yeah, both the units click click sound, and they are all ready now.
Yep, and we'll also observe that
and
the two outputs
what
are
we
off.
need to observe is the LEDs are all completely turned off.
Yep.
Which is right.
Now I'll go ahead and go to drill mode.
So now let me move back a little bit to see it a bit closer and better.
Yep.
Okay, you're now going to press this blow down on the left hand bottom corner.
Yep. Blow down used to say blow down in, it's now saying blow down out as
correct.
default.
Yes.
The two outputs are still off.
The two outputs are still off. Wait a second, let me zoom that. Yeah, two outputs are still off, yeah.
So I'll press the blow down.
Wait a second. You're going to press the blow down.
Yep.
Yeah, press it. Turns red.
That's for 5 seconds.
And the LED is on for 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep.
Yep, that's off.
Yep.
That's still latched in.
It's still latched in, yes.
I'll press it again, and now it also says blow down in before I unlatch it.
Yeah.
I'll unlatch it.
Yeah.
The green one has
And
gone
the green
off.
one has gone on.
Yep.
3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's switched off.
Okay, I'll just do it again without anyone talking.
Yeah.
And that's it.
That's it. Go on.
We haven't done the rest of the testing because this has been a rather simple change.
Yep.
None of the other IOs have been affected.
Yep.
And we haven't had to make any actual can open variable changes between the units.
Yep.
So at this rate, the only thing we've done is made the changes here and tested them, and we're able to ship it out relatively quickly.
Okay.
So it's taken sort of the 4 hours versus the full 8-10 hours to test everything.
Now we are not making the dwell time on the solenoids configurable, because if we do that on the operator interface, that means that we are changing the entire operator interface parameters.
That's right.
Which means a wholesome reprogramming, and also because it's not been set up as a parameter, we need to create a new parameter.
And a full 5-hour test basically on a separate harness and all of the rest of
yeah,
it. So,
and the full harness not being available here, that's not possible.
Yeah. So
okay, we've done a limited one in which we've done these tests, and hopefully that is going to meet the customer requirements.
Yep.
I'll just send it off and see how we stack up.
No worries.